Good evening and welcome to the Hall of Fame induction ceremony and dinner. SUNY Canton was founded 113 years ago. We have graduated almost 40,000 alumni. You have made a difference to us and to what SUNY Canton has become.
We couldn't have done any of this without you. Our alumni, our friends, our supporters, they make it possible. And we've got the finest alumni and friends that any college could hope for.
One of the major factors in my success was the support and mentorship I received from various individuals along the way.
Canton does hold a special spot in my heart when I start thinking back about all the good times. And I never wanted to tell my kids about how much fun I had up here because I had a ball. I am more than excited to really promote the school to upcoming students that are looking for a great place to come.
This has been an incubator of ideas. They're willing to try things. Joe Kennedy threw some seeds at us and said, try this. And all I did was try to grow it with great help on this faculty and staff and alumnus who all participated in this growth. So this is an incubator. I don't know what it's going to be like in 10 or 20 years. But I know what it's like when I've been here for 28 years when I taught, and I loved every day of it. Every day of it. Because there's ideas, you weren't stymied. They let you do and grow. You're the alumnus, or the alumni, and you're the best product we put out there.
The college gave me an education, or granted me an education. And to keep up this beautiful campus and to provide some place for the students that they can get a great education plus have a nice facility, that's why I give.